Welcome students. In this class, let us know the definition of equivalence relation. See here, a relation R defined on the set A is called an equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it should satisfy all the three. Then only that relation is called an equivalence relation. If one of these property fails, then it is not an equivalence relation. So let us understand this by one simple example here. Exercise problem. So this will be 3 marks problem for our annual examination. So you try to concentrate here. So the problem says a relation R is defined in the set A equals 1, 2, 3. See here elements are given 1 to 14 defined on the set R is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Check whether this is reflexive, symmetric, transitive or not. So clearly we observe that here the relation is given 3x minus y is equal to 0 is the rule. So it is given in rule method. So it is rule method. So relation is given in rule method. That means we can convert it into roster method. So we have to find the ordered pairs. So for that what we should do here is, so you go on giving the values. Consider this 3x minus y is equal to 0. So you put x is equal to 1. So I will get 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 0. Solve for y is equal to 3. So I get the first pair as 1 comma 3. Then put x is equal to 2. So here 3 into 2 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 6. So this one is first pair. This one is second pair. You go on giving the values. X is equal to 3. Then it becomes 9, 3 comma 9, x is equal to 4, 3 4s are 12, so 4 comma 12. So my ordered pairs are, finally I got the ordered pairs. So here, so we can see here 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 comma 12. So here I have stopped at this value. So what happens if I give x is equal to 5? So if I give x is equal to 5 here, 3 into 5, 15. So here 14 is the last element. So we cannot take x is equal to 5. So 4 is the last value. So let us check the properties here. Reflexive. Clearly here such pairs are not present here. So I can write 1 comma 1 does not belong to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Then symmetric. So you can consider any pair here for symmetric property. Take any one of the pair. Say I will consider 1 comma 3 is present here. But so we can change the order here. 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Then transitive. So we should have two pairs A comma B and B comma C. Then should be having A comma C. Let us check here. So I have selected 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 9. So both are here. 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 9 belongs to R. But 1 comma 9, that is A comma C, 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. So clearly we can say R is not transitive. So overall this relation is not an equivalence relation. So here everything fails here. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation. So this is a 3 marks problem. I hope you can work out this problem 1 or 2 times. Okay.